everyone. So in this video we will be talking about the grant test, like what should be our approach to the grant test. As you know, the tentative date is like 12th March, so we have approximately 2.5 months left. So at this time, what should we do, whether we should give grant test or not? So this is my suggestion. uh, like first of all, whether you have done your first reading or not. If you have not done your first reading, so first of all, see whether you have given your first grant test or do you have a baseline score. Like, what will be the benefit of having a baseline score? You can make a graph and then monitor your progress. Like, this was your baseline score, and then it should go up. Then you are in the right direction. So if you have not given your first grant test, so give a grant test and get a baseline score. Now if you have your first baseline score and still doing your first reading, so see whether you have time to complete your first reading. Like, if you know that your first reading will take a lot of time, so at least give mini tests daily, or do daily 40 to 50 MCQs, so that you are in the habit of doing the MCQs, and you will be so that and then you will be able to do it in your final test. If you have time to complete your first reading, like you will be able to complete it in few days, then try to give grant test every 15 days. What you can do is, like, on a Sunday give a grant test, and over the next 14 days do 10 to 15 questions daily, and you will be able to review your grant test. And then on 15th day again give a grant test. So in this way you will be able to do at least 5 to 6 grant tests before 12th March. Now, what to do if you have done your first reading? And is your first revision done? If not, then try it again. Try to give the grant test every 15 days. If you have done your first revision, then see whether you have done the previous year questions or not. If you are still doing the previous year questions, then keep the grant test, like give the grant test after every 15 days. And for previous year questions, do at least previous 3 years NEET PG questions and 2 years AIMS or INI CET questions, because the topics are frequently repeated. And if you have done your previous year questions, then give a grant test every 7 days, so that you are in the habit of doing the grant test, and for sitting for 3 to 3.5 hours. So for 7 days you can do this strategy, like give a grant test on Sunday and revise it over a week. Every day, like 30 to 35 questions you can easily revise, and still and again you can give a next grant test on Sunday. So this was my suggestion. So all the best for your preparation. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe.